Hey again, let me talk in this video about public modifiers. So what I mean by that? I mean if I have an operation, I have variable here, name it, name, whatever name of the process, I'll name it a process name. Process name in this way, and I give it a string, or should be null as start point. So this is my starting point for a process name. If I try to call it from here, so I try to call it from this place, whatever, like here I say I define function, name it get name. Okay, so I could say super, that means super class dots process name. Why? Because this one is defined as a public by default. When I define variable as public, this is by default, it will be public. By default, have this word before it. When I define variable public, and there is a class inherit that variable, I could access to it because it's by default public. Also, I could access to it from the instantiation. Okay, like for OP, also I could say dot process name. I have to be able to be access to that process name. See process name. Why? Because it's public. So you could now just print it here. So the first scenario, if I have the variable is defined as public or doesn't have anything before it, that means it is public, even it's function or variable. See, you say, hey, you don't need to add this one. It's already public, so you don't need it. If I define variable as a protect, okay, protected, that's mean I could see it, the one who inherit me could see it, but I cannot create instance from a directory. So see, I cannot access to it from the instance, sorry. So if there is instance, this instance cannot access to it because the protect, that means it could be seen from me and from anyone inherit my information. If I see, right, this one is private. What this mean? This mean only I could see this variable. Anyone, even then the class who inherit me, he cannot see it. Also, the one who main function cannot see it. So a three type of definition: public, protect, public, protect, private, and there's internal. You could learn about it, but by default public could be set from the class who inherit me and the class who did instance. Also, if it's private, only I could see it, and even the inherit me cannot see it. Protected, me and inherit me, the person who did like a implementation instance, he will not see it. So yeah, here we done. Thank you for watching. See you next.